Wash, shine, and protect in less time with Turtle Wax's all-new Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax. While Hydroglide wash polymers lift and clean all surfaces of your car, super hydrophobic synthetic wax and SiO2 polymers stay behind to increase the depth of color and shine while also boosting water beading and chemical-resistant protection for months at a time. The super concentrated formula requires 3 ounces to 1 gallon of water used. Simply add the concentrate to your wash bucket accordingly, agitate, and apply to one large area at a time with a wash mitt, washing a vehicle from top to bottom and taking care to rinse your wash mitt in a recommended secondary water-filled rinse bucket before returning it to your soap bucket and car. Continue this process for the entirety of the car's surfaces, including glass, trim, and finally wheels. Then follow along with the rinse process. As a tip, for first-time application to a vehicle with no wax or coating, before rinsing Hybrid Solutions Wash and Wax away, we recommend one of 2 things: either a wipe with a damp cloth to ensure the wax is well applied and starts a good foundation, or simply a second application of wash and wax with a microfiber mitt. From here, future washes will layer onto the initial application for increased protection. As you start the rinse process, watch as even on a previously uncoated car, the rinse water beads up and sheets away. Plus, it leaves a brilliant shine. To aid in water drying, leaving minimal water beads left on the surface, use a slow, solid, and steady stream as a final rinse over on panels, taking water sheeting to the extreme. Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax's unique hybrid blend of protective and shine-enhancing polymers boosts previous layers of protection by adding its own with each wash, also aiding in surface appearance on all paint and exterior plastic trim, and all while having an infused sweet mango scent that's a delight to the user's senses. Turtle Wax's all-new Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Wash and Wax. More shine and protection in less time. Simply wash and rinse off for instant and dynamic results.